Today you'll take your vocabulary quiz for section 5.1 in science. The vocabulary is about mitosis, the process of mitosis. Here is your word bank. A, metaphase. B, chromosome. C, interphase. D, centromere. E, anaphase. F, prophase. G, DNA. H, cell cycle. I, eukaryote. J, mitosis. K, chromatin. L, chromatids. M, prokaryote. N, telophase. O, cytokinesis. Be careful by the number of words that sound an awful lot alike here. Put the letter that matches put the letter that goes with a word along beside the definition. Number 1. This is the stage of mitosis where a new nuclear membrane appears around the two new identical nuclei. Number 2. This is a complex material that's made up of DNA and protein. Number 3. This is a type of cell that contains a cell nucleus with organelles. Number 4. This is the stage of mitosis where the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Number 5. This is the structure that holds two chromatids, together. Number 6. This is the life cycle of a cell. It has 3 stages: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Those 3 words can help you, hopefully, as you're identifying further words. Number 7. This is a type of cell that does not have or lacks a cell nucleus. Number 8. This is the stage of mitosis where the chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell condense, meaning pull together. Number 9. This is the division of the cytoplasm of a cell. Number 10. This is a molecule that's present in all living cells, and it contains the information that determines the traits that a living thing inherits and needs to live. Number 11. This is a process of cell division that forms 2 new nuclei, each of which has the same number of chromosomes. Number 12. This is the period of the cell cycle during which activities like cell growth, DNA replication, and protein synthesis occur without any visible signs of cell division. Number 13. This is a thread-like structure. It's made up of an organized length of chromatin. Number 14. This is the stage of mitosis where the identical chromatids separate and they're pulled to opposite sides of the cell. And number 15. This is the structure that results after the DNA is copied. Each chromosome contains 2 of these structures and they are identical.